Right, so I'm going to be answering the part of the question, number 2, where the painter needs to buy the paint. So we've already established that we needed 2 tins of paint. Yeah. 2 tins of paint. So what we're going to do is calculate 1 tin of paint plus the VAT at 15%. So in the process of once we've found that 15%, then we can add that number to the cost. This should say cost. Yeah? So the first step I always tend to do is just express that percentage as a decimal. It just makes it easier later on. Then there's no multiplying confusion between do I multiply or divide by 100. Okay? You just multiply the amount of money by the decimal for the percentage that we found. So it's going to be basically the 20.83 times the 15. So 20.83 times 0.15, sorry, that should have been 0.15, is going to be £3.13. Okay, now on the calculator it came up as 3.1245, and you can simply round that up because you just keep it the same number, sorry, not 3.13, 3.12. So that is going to be, in money, your 15%, right? So this is your 15% value. Next, we're going to add this £3.12 to the original amount. So we can find out the total cost, which is question number 3, for the paint with VAT at 15%. So that will be £23.95. I mean, the rest of it actually says is 9545, but we're not going to use that because we generally don't use that. So we just stick to the 95. So that's for 1 5 litre of paint. So if we multiply that number now by 2, yeah, so we're going to multiply the 23.95, and that is pounds, by 2. Make sure you use your currency throughout the exam. You're showing that you know where to use your symbols. Then you will find that you're going to get 47.909. What we can do, we can get rid of this, and instead of having the 9, make it 47.91. Either of the two will be the right answer, but do watch the question. If they ask you to round up, well, we only use pence. We only use 2 decimal places for pence. So it will be 47.91. Yeah. That will be the answer for number 3 in question number 4.